Well, thank you and welcome to join us with the official match ball for the FIFA World Cup. And Bubista is here. Many congrats to the head coach of Cabo Verde, the first ever World Cup for Cabo Verde. How does that make you feel?
We are so exciting. I think the people is so exciting. We're gonna do our best for our people.
Just an incredible achievement, history-making achievement. I wonder, what were the celebrations like when the team qualified? How big were the celebrations?
It's everywhere. Our people are so exciting, so happy. Our people in the world, so great for our qualification. And now, now, our people is so grateful for everything.
Yeah. Well, let's look ahead to the first game for you. It just happens to be against Spain, 2010 world champions, right here in Atlanta. I wonder if this ball may end up in the back of the Spanish net at some point. You never know. What are the emotions you're feeling ahead of that match against the mighty La Roja?
We know it's very difficult match. We know the Spain is the first now in this moment, but anything is possible. We're gonna do our best to show the world when we can do in football. In football, we know it's a hard game, but we are our hearts,
yeah.
And this is important for us.
Yeah. Can your team make an impact, a real impact on the tournament?
We want to do impact in the game for our people, and we want to show. For every person, we are a small country, but we can play against the big team.
Bubista, many thanks for your time and all the very best.
Thank you.
For the campaign ahead.
Thank you. Thanks.